To secure Apple Pay two-factor authentication, start by understanding what two-factor authentication is. It is a security process that requires a user to provide two different authentication factors to access an account or make a transaction. First, ensure your Apple device is running the latest version of iOS. Go to Settings, then General, and select Software Update to check for updates. Next, enable two-factor authentication on your Apple ID account. Go to the Settings app. Tap on your name, then select Password and Security. Tap on Turn on two-factor authentication and follow the prompts to set it up. Now, add a trusted phone number to receive verification codes. This can be your iPhone or another phone number. You will receive a verification code on this number when you try to access your Apple account or make an Apple Pay transaction. To add an extra layer of security to Apple Pay, go to the Wallet app, select a card, and tap on the three dots. Then select Card Information and turn on the option to require a passcode or Face ID or Touch ID. For transactions, when you are prompted to enter a verification code, make sure you are entering it on the correct device and that you are not sharing the code with anyone. Never provide your verification code to someone who contacts you, even if they claim to be from Apple. Best practices to keep in mind include using a strong and unique password for your Apple ID, keeping your device and iOS up to date, and being cautious of phishing scams. By following these steps, you can help secure your Apple Pay two-factor authentication and protect your financial information.